What else did he have to say? What other news did he break?
Well, Di Maio really is trying to show that he can work with business. So he made an important proposal. He said that he would make sure that the Italian banks are able to deal with their mountain of bad loans. Now, this is very important for the continued progress of the Italian economy.
Kevin, the political beast that is Sergio Berlusconi, he's actually off the campaign trail for a little bit. What's going on?
Well, now, of course, the Italian papers say there's a little bit of a mystery in that, maybe health. But Berlusconi himself says, no, there's nothing wrong with his health. He's just taking a few days off, and he'll be back on the campaign trail on Monday. And he says that at age 81, he's in great shape.
Kevin, what are the polls saying right now?
The polls are very interesting. They give Di Maio's five-star movement about 28% of the vote, and Berlusconi's center-right coalition would get about 39%, and the ruling Democratic Party would get 22%. So do the math. That means that no party would have enough votes to form a government on its own.
How are markets taking this? At what point will they get even more concerned than they are now?
Right now, I think the markets are quite concerned. We're seeing a lot of notes from analysts saying that the markets really are concerned, especially when they hear about the possibility of some sort of five-star movement government. That really has the investors quite concerned, I would say.
Given that the five-star movement, Kevin, has sort of waded back from that idea of a referendum, does that make investors slightly less nervous about their prospects?
Perhaps a little bit less nervous, but remember, the five-star movement is a populist party. They are making a lot of promises all over the place, and right now investors and business people are beginning to wonder, well, just who will pay for those different programs and promises?
What about Matteo Renzi? I mean, he was the future a year or so ago, Kevin. Does it seem like his day is done now?
Actually, it does seem that he's in serious difficulty if he wants to regain the premier position. Now, his replacement, Paolo Gentiloni, is extremely popular in Italy. Gentiloni has been overseeing an economic pickup of sorts, 13 quarters of solid growth, and an unemployment rate that has gone down quite a bit. So there's a question now, will the Italian voters in the end want to see Gentiloni stay as prime minister?